Today we will analyze the JB Hi-Fi, the organization structure and the strategy. Here is our group members. The first is the background of the JB Hi-Fi. In 1971, Mr. Jones established the JB Hi-Fi in Victoria, and in 1999, their 9 new stores was opened, and during 2003, the JB Hi-Fi floated on the ASX, and in 2016, JB Hi-Fi acquisition the good guys. The mission of the organization for JB Hi-Fi can be defined into 4 parts: background, skills, experience, and the gender. During 2017, JB Hi-Fi was equal to the male and female employee to be the theme. And the strategy of the organization is the plan for interacting with the competitive environment to achieve organizational goals. According to the Miles and Snow framework, JB Hi-Fi could be defined to the defender because during 2016, JB Hi-Fi acquisitions of good guys, and the efficient of the JB Hi-Fi is JB Hi-Fi has smart choice of promotion of energy efficient products. And about the structure of organization, the organization structure is one factor that helps company execute their strategies and achieve their goals. It normally can be defined into 3 parts: horizontal, vertical, and a mixture structure. According to the Bernstein framework, we could define the JB Hi-Fi was included to the merchantistic design because JB Hi-Fi has more than 20,000 holders and has a stable environment and more than 100 suppliers of the manufacturing technology. And most important is has the regional cultural director of the company and the secretary.
So now we are looking at the key factors that may affect JB Hi-Fi's business. It can be seen there are 5: competitors, customer demand, finance, government, social, and finally the environment. And next, this graph shows the environment uncertainty, as can be seen ranging from unstable to stable for the dynamism, and from simple to complex for the complexity. And next, when we analyze JB Hi-Fi's environmental complexity, we'll say JB Hi-Fi are currently under a relatively stable condition for 2 reasons. The first is because JB Hi-Fi is a listed company, and the second is because JB Hi-Fi are still seeking expanding of its business, such as acquisition of the good guys. And next, we'll look at the uncertainty of environment. We will say JB Hi-Fi are currently under a relative complex environment. This is because, as I mentioned before, it faces 5 factors that may affect its business. And next, we're looking at the main current challenges that JB Hi-Fi may facing. Can be seen for external, it facing competition such as the online spending. It will resulting in sales decline and price increase. And second, the customer supply chain, like the demand changes and discretionary spending of the customer. And it's for external, the last one is environment, such as inflation rate and interest rate increasing. And for internal, JB Hi-Fi may need to maintain a good customer service. So, for the challenges JB Hi-Fi are facing, we will look at JB Hi-Fi current structure. And we will see this graph shows the structure. The CFO, which under the CEO, are key focusing on monitoring the interest rate and the synergy of the acquisition. This is about the financial problem. And for the supply chain solution and director are mainly focused on improving supply chain. And lastly, the director strategy and digital are key monitoring the improved performance and establish mechanized function.
Okay, for my part, I will talk about JB Hi-Fi and whether fit between current structure and the environment. I will talk about the external environment. They have 2 parts. One is the market sector. The example is JB Hi-Fi expand many stores on the worldwide. The second is the finance resource sector. JB Hi-Fi debt from a bank or other groups. For this part, I will introduce the size of organization. They have many stores on the worldwide. We can see on this map. And in 2017, they have 303 stores in the world. And I will analyze the advantage and the disadvantage. They have three parts. The advantage one is extend company's brand influence, may increase income, may increase product variety. Disadvantage may have difficulties in management, may bring extra business risk. New store established cost may take too much cash flow. Here are some solutions for company perspective. The first one is build complete manager policy and company rules. Pay attention to market trend, collect and analysis marketing data, and then is make reasonable debt plan. For this part, the solutions is for employee perspective. The solution one is follow company's policy and management rules. The second is in-time updating promotion and production with the group. The third is improve work efficiency. Here is our conclusion. That have three parts. One part is introduce JB Hi-Fi. The second is analysis internal factors and environment. The third is analysis company size and recommendation. Here is our reference. Thank you.